instructors at Fitness One are extremely knowledgeable, very helpful, very approachable.
I went from a size 12 to a size 2. I feel wonderful.
The gym is definitely a friendly place to be.
You know that since I started working out, I lost 37 pounds and I dropped 5 dress sizes.
Absolutely fantastic. I have more energy than I've ever had in my life.
Since joining Fitness One, I've been getting a lot of compliments, which feels great.
On a personal level, Fitness One to me has changed my life drastically.
They helped me achieve my goal, which I wanted so badly, and I'm very grateful to them.
I hope I can find words to tell you how happy I am to be at Fitness One. I am really, really, really happy. I have seen results faster than I thought.